Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to show or hide the bookmark bar on Chrome browser. The bookmark bar is the line at the very top when it says YouTube, my Facebook profile, Ads Manager, Analytics, Speedy, and so on. So to hide that, you just need to go to the three dots at the top right, then Settings. Here, just type in the search bar bookmark and scroll down, show bookmark bar, turn it off. As you can see, it disappears. Now turn it back on. And that's it, pretty much it. Guys, if you have any tips how I can improve my content, type them in the comment section below.